Good afternoon, Robeson County. Today is Wednesday, May the 27th, 2020. As you know, it's been a while since I've done a video update, but I felt it was necessary as the county, state, and neighboring states begin to open, that this is an exciting time for all of us. Opening stores, restaurants, salons, and other services is our ultimate goal. We want to see the economy rebound. We want to visit with neighbors, break bread together, and worship in our church families. This is all allowed according to the rules and recommendations that have been given to us by the Tennessee Department of Health and Governor Lee's office. However, it's incredibly important to remind everyone of a few things. First and foremost, our hearts go out to the families who have lost loved ones because of this virus. Folks, Robeson County is not immune. We've been hit and we've lost some neighbors. You've all been our thoughts and prayers in the coming days and months. This brings me to another incredibly important reminder. COVID-19 is not gone. It's not less serious, and it can be very dangerous, even deadly for the elderly and those who have compromised immune systems. We've been given clear guidance from the CDC and the Tennessee Department of Health for ways to keep our community safe. These guidelines are not simple opinions. These are fact-based recommendations almost all medical professionals follow on a daily basis, especially in a medically sensitive environments. As you go out and begin to live your life in a more normal way, I implore you to practice the recommendations of social distancing, disinfecting shared spaces regularly, washing our hands frequently, and most important, wearing a mask in public places. This has been a continuous topic, but with all personal opinions aside, I suggest that we heed to the suggestions of the professionals to help fight and control this virus, and their recommendations are very simple. Wear a mask in public. By wearing a mask, you're protecting your neighbors, friends, grandparents, and loved ones who may have compromised immune systems. We are not wearing a mask to protect you. You wear a mask to protect others. Wearing a mask helps keep water droplets that are produced every time you speak from spreading to others around you. You could be a carrier of the virus and not even know it. Research has shown that a great number of COVID-positive patients have no symptoms at all, therefore they don't seek treatment or quarantine themselves, in turn spread the virus without even knowing. I don't believe any of us want to intentionally spread COVID-19 to our neighbors and friends, but I know it's possible, but less likely if you wear a mask in public. Remember, even if you have a strong immune system and your body can fight the virus, others you are exposed to may not have that luxury, which is why we should all wear a mask when out in public. Northcrest Medical Center created a great video with information about which type of mask you can wear, how to wear them, and when to wear them. For example, do you have to wear a mask in your car? No. Do you have to wear a mask at home? No. Do you have to wear a mask if you're outside walking your dog and no one is around? No. But you should wear a mask if you're in public places around other people, such as a grocery store and pharmacy. We ask you to use common sense and please be cautious. Robeson County's COVID-19 numbers have seen an increase in the past 10 days. However, we have seen a great number of recoveries. We're in constant communication with our hospitals and other medical professionals to ensure that they feel comfortable with the level of care they can provide our community. Our medical facilities are far more well prepared than they were several weeks ago. Hindsight is always 2020. All this is so new. Information seems to change daily, and I ask that you stay patient with the decision makers, especially those at the national level, as they learn more about COVID-19 and come up with new ways to treat patients and recommendations to keep our community members safe. No one benefits from a closed economy. We all want to be back open, but the health of our community has to stay our top priority. I'm very thankful for the business community who have adapted to the ever-changing environment, the health professionals who have made unbelievable sacrifice over the past 10 weeks, and to you, our citizens, who have done a great job of keeping your neighbor's health and the frontline workers supported during this time. And I really mean the support that people's getting out the testing station. There's churches involved that I've named that have been feeding these people testing. They have been undue pressure put on them every day, and especially the last couple of days, the lines have gotten longer. Please commit to continue that support and renew your commitment to keeping our community safe in the coming days, weeks, and months. The Tennessee Department of Health will be moving the free COVID testing site to the Robeson County Health Department located on Brown Street beginning this Monday, June the 1st. Testing will be available from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Monday through Friday. I would like to commend Rachel Ellis on a job well done. Bless her heart, she took this job about 2 weeks before we got into this, and she has been put through it. Rachel is the director of the Robson and Cheatham County Health Department, and she and her team have done a great job of testing citizens, contacting patients, providing an excellent level of service throughout this time. Thank you, Rachel and her team, which her team do consist of members of the National Guard, and what we do without them, I don't know. It's been a privilege to serve as your mayor of Robson County during this time, and as I always say, God bless Robson County and the state of Tennessee. Thank you and be safe.